It says solve for x if x is between 0 and 2 pi. Our equation is 2 tan x plus 2 radical 3 equals 0. Class, what was the first thing you did? Okay, if you divided, let me do a side problem here. It's a lot of work because what you're doing is you're basically taking out a greatest common factor and then you're dividing by 2 on both sides. That's okay. If I were doing the problem, I'd just subtract it. But if you divide it by 2, it's okay. You're going to see that our answer actually comes up the same. Remember, that's both sides of the equation. You're basically doing subtraction property of equality here. Those are called inverses. I'm left with 2 tan x. Those will equal 0. Alright, on this side, I have negative 2 radical 3. Class, how do I get tangent x by itself? And this is where I said your answer will be the same. You're going to be left with tangent x equals, the 2's cancel, right? Because this is negative 1 times 2. So you're left with negative radical 3. Raise your hand if you got that so far. Okay. Remember, I'm trying to solve for x, and you're not dividing by tangent on both sides. You're going to do the what? So now I have tangent, the inverse of tangent equals negative radical 3 equals x. Class, how do you turn this into a fraction? Okay, I'm showing you some hints, so if you're struggling with tangent and cotangent. Class, tangent is which 2 letters? Okay, look, I'm going to write it over here, y over x. So basically what I'm doing is I'm looking for where tangent is negative. I'm looking for the y values are radical 3 and your x value is 1. Do you guys see that? Y turned into a fraction? So let's find where tangent is positive, and that will tell us where not to look.
So positive is 1 and 3.
This is where it's positive. That means it's going to be negative where?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. So these are the 2 quadrants I'm looking for. And I'm looking for a y value that's radical 3 and an x value that's 1. Y value that's radical 3. Where is that, class? And remember, we're looking for degrees or radians. Where else am I looking? 5 pi over 3. So 2 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Let's double check our answer. Class, is that between 0 and 2 pi? It is. You could also take this value. You could put it in here. You'll get negative radical 3, multiply that by 2, negative 2 radical 3, negative 2 radical 3 plus 2 radical 3 gives you 0. So remember, every time that you solve for an equation x equals, you can always substitute it back in and simplify your answer.